think the most that excited me was the fact that the company has such large networks. There's so many opportunities to dive into a Unified. I interned at Unify Festival early this year. It was a 4-day festival. After that, I had the opportunity to apply for the internship program. So as an intern, I usually sit in meetings with the managers of different departments. It's just listening to see how things are laid out, how projects are delivered, how managers and clients express themselves.
Collarts students bring a wealth of knowledge to the partnership. Because of all the different educational programs that Collarts has, we get students from all different backgrounds and with very different interests.
I would say my studies at Collarts has helped me with this internship mainly just to have an understanding of real-life scenarios, projects, and conversations that happen here at Unified.
When I'm looking for a future team member at Red Hill, I definitely love to look out for enthusiasm, organization, experience, someone who just has that can-do, I'll get the job done attitude, forging that gap between education and experience that sets them on a pathway for their future.